My name is Justina Whipkey. I'm a plant supervisor for the tube mill in Leestow, Pennsylvania. Worked here for going on 3 years. It's a lot of overseeing the production workers, QC, notifying maintenance. So this building has a lot of history. Before it was the Bethlehem steel mill. And it's just been amazing the amount of progress that we've made in such a short amount of time. Being here from when there was just dirt floor to seeing the machines take shape, seeing people be trained. It's just been a total transformation of something that used to be to now something that's going to be here for years and years. No day is ever the same. There's always something going on that's not the norm. So it's fun to adapt and see how people take that. And I just stumbled into this job from a background of solar, doing solar drawings and pricing. And I just fell in love with the manufacturing side of it. I love being here. I love understanding processes. I love understanding how we can improve processes and really getting our customer the best quality product that we can. We manufacture 5-inch round tubes. They go out to Nextracker customer fields where they're used for solar trackers. And we drill the holes and we manufacture the tubes. So JN Steel is really building a culture that's like a family. It's awesome to get to know people from different walks of life, and it really does take every type here. You know, there's a huge emphasis on safety and quality here. I think that not only ensures that our people go home safe, it ensures that our product goes out to the field exactly the way it's supposed to be. With that kind of mindset, you know, we keep people here for a long time, and to see how much more we are than just ourselves, and to see the impact we can have for the future, how much us as a community can impact the world.